Okay, today we are talking about graphing functions. We will complete our lesson. Yesterday we took the constant functions, like if of x equals any number, then we will complete today our types of functions. Okay, then if I have this square and I'll name its side like x, then each side will be the same. Correct? Then if I have perimeter, I refer to the perimeter by the letter P. Any problem? Any problem? Okay. Now we can say that B equals how many x? 5. 5 or 4? 4. Okay. Then I replace this perimeter. It's a function because it's the relation between the side and the perimeter. Then we replace B by what? F of x. Okay, this is function of x equals what? 4x. Then if our side like that, x equal 2. Okay, suppose that our side 2 centimeters. What about the perimeter? It will be f of what? Of 2. We replace x by 2, then it will be f of 2. That's meaning what? 4 multiplied by 2, meaning what? 8. Okay, I told you yesterday the functions means what? The relation between two, don't forget this word, variables. Between two what? Variable. What does it mean, variable? If you hear about any word you don't know, you must ask. If you know, no problem. Then what does it mean? But don't let any word goes like this. You must understand. Then what does it mean, variable? Okay, variable in 2 words, can change. Can change. What does it mean? Here I supposed that x equal what? 2. We have only this square, or it can change. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. We have many squares. Then here, if we change the value of x, like 5, what is the value of function? It will be what? 4 bracket 5. What is the answer? Yes, it will be 20. If you put x equals 7, it will be f of 7. This is a function of 7. That's meaning the perimeter of the square, which having sides equal 7. Then it will be what? 4 bracket 7. What is the result? 28. Then here we see, if we change x, what's happened to the function? It will change. That's meaning 2 variables. X changed, then y or f of x can change. Then let's take the second type, linear. Then about linear function, yesterday we took the general form of constant functions, f of x equals c. Then today about linear function. What is the general form? It will be f of x equals a x plus b. We can put it inside rectangle. Then you must know that a and b any values, but you must know that a cannot be what? 0. Then if you want to take some examples about this, like f of x equals 5x plus 2. Another example, f of x equals 4x minus 3. Sometimes he said what here? A cannot be 0, but b can be 0. Like what? If we say f of x equals 2x, okay, then there is no b here. But a cannot be 0, but b can be 0. Then about our example to graph, if you want to graph like this, graph the function f of x equals 2x plus 1. If you want to graph this function, what can we do? We must get some values for x and the opposite values of the function. Then we will put our table and we make it for x and f of x. Here we can put x. Here is what? F of x. And I told you, instead of f of x, we can put 1 letter. What is it? Y. Very good. Then those values, you put it from your mind. We have maybe 3 or 2 points enough, but I'll put more to train yourself about how to substitute. I'll put maybe -2, -1 for x, 0, 1, 2. Then take care from here. Our function is here. If your x -2, what about function? It will be what? What is the value of function? How can you calculate it? You will substitute here. I'll make f of -2 for you. Raise your voice. -5. No calculator. It's no need. I want to train your mind. You hear me, Mariam? Then 2 -2 will be what? Negative what? -4 plus 1. What is the result? -4 plus 1, it will be what? -3. Okay. What about -1? It will be what? If you substitute x of -1, it will be 2 bracket Negative 1 plus 1. What is the result? Okay, negative 2. Correct? Negative 1. Correct, negative 1. Very good. What about 0? 0. 1. Very good. What about 1? 3. What about 2? 5. Very good. Now, how many points you have? Lucy, how many points? You know what does it mean points? It's x and y. Then it will be what we have here. This is the first point, negative 2, negative 3. Here is second point, negative 1, negative 1. Third point, 0, 1. 1, 3, 2, 5. Okay, now I'll make your coordinates to draw. This is our x. And is this one? Okay. It is our x and y axis. And we said before y means what? F of x. Now, write and draw. Show me your line. Quickly, please. It is 0, 1, 2, then draw and show me, please. No time. After writing, take your points, and none of you answered the question. How many points we have? 5 points. Very good. Then put your 5 points and show me, joining the points, show me what will be the shape. It will be line or curve or like what? And please try to adjust your numbers between each two numbers 1 centimeters. If you have squares, it's better for you. Can you draw it first, please? Draw it and show me. When I let you to complete your writing. Can you see me? Can you see? Please draw it first. Draw your points and show me. When you finish your graph, show me up. Just this graph is considered. Okay? Only graph. If you want to repair or change, it will be easy. G2 is what we use. Okay, this is not correct. Then 0 is what 0. Okay. Must be. Now you can something you want to make for users result. Then one word, one week, then yeah, must be that. It's clear. And two word. Then here's your and join. No. Okay. Must be the same. Okay. Finish. Already determined your points. Joining. Okay. You know that up to now we didn't start our lesson. Our lesson quadratic. Then let's know what is the function first. How can we draw first? You understand? How can we get some points? We must know all this before. Then we can move to our list of quadratic function. Then the problem, you have some basics you don't know. You must know first your basics to start our list. Okay? Thank you. Join. Join must be straight line. Then if you want to determine our points, it will be like this. Negative 2 is negative 3, it will be here. Negative 1, it will be here. 0, 1, it will be here. 1, 3, last 2 what? 5. Now we can join them. It will be like this. Oh, I need to change the color. I choose red. Okay, like this. This is our function. It's our function like what? F of x equals 2x plus 1. Then now you know how to graph your function. You must get some points, put them in the coordinates, and join. Maybe it will be straight line, maybe it will be curve. Curve, it will be next lesson. This is our first lesson about quadratic function. It must be curve. Yes.
X equal to what?
This one, 2x plus 1. This is our function here. We graph it. Okay? Then one advice for you. This year, the current year, the ministry reduce your syllabus, maybe closer to 50%. Then it's good chance for you to study it, please. Okay? Then now, take care about next week. Don't sit like this. I'll try to contact you. Okay? Then if you want to ask about anything, I write my number. If you want to ask about something, you can get the other class. I'll try to make all my classes online. Then if you want to catch the class for the other class, just tell me, I will send the link to you. But before, okay, don't come in the time of the lesson and tell me, Mister, I want to contact your lesson. It's difficult. You understand? Then I put the time for Zoom before. Then you will know which time we can start. Then tell me before. Okay? Yes. Okay, boys. What? Problem is what? What? Really? What? Fix it. Okay. Finish graphing. Then if I give you another one, can you graph alone? I need only 2 or 3 points. No need to put 5 points. Okay. I'll give you another example. You can take any one of the others. You have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Finished writing? Still? Now your whiteboard better than yesterday. Thank you. Oh, sorry. I want to ask you how many students have in the book of math? Or Muhammad, Qais, Abdullah, or Ali? Ali? 3. Girls, you have? Oh, you don't have?
Yes.
Math?
I
Oh, you don't have? 5? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mariam, you have?
Yes.
Maram? Then we have 5 here. Okay. And the other plus 4, it will be 9. Okay. Who brought the flash? Okay, please, if you want to take at least the first chapter, bring flash for me and give you the first chapter. Be with you and put it in the laptop and you can see it. Okay, till the book will come. Finish, girls. Finish writing. Aram, finish writing. Mariam, finish. Okay. Can I move to the other page? Okay, another example. Can you graph this? 3 minus 2x. First, you make your table. Just you can put 3 points, enough. No, start right, no time. We have only 10 minutes. You can choose any numbers, you are free for x, and they get the opposite values for the function. Okay? Show me. Huh? Try to adjust your points, please, to make your graph closer to perfect. Okay? Just fill your table and graph. Finish? It will be the notebook format. Or next lesson, bring this graph would be this. Just cut the paper to halves and put the rest of graph. It's easy. Okay. Have you finished? From tomorrow, bring your own tools. It's not good to take any geometric tools from your friend, please. Huh? Okay, boys? From tomorrow, it's not allowed to take the ruler or any tools from your friend. Anything, bring all your own tools, please. Finish drawing. Yes. Then check with me. I'll put any values, maybe -1, 0, 1. Then if x is -1, what is the value function? No. One question, -1, what is the opposite value for f of x? Finish? Only one calculation. Okay. What about the opposite value for -1? And the line must be like this. See, Mary? Must be like this. Finish drawing. Finish? Three points you have -1 and what? 0 with what? 1 with what? You must calculate it. Then please see how to calculate. You want to calculate if x equal -1, then f of -1, what? It will be what? 3 minus 2 bracket -1. Then it will be what? 3 plus, because minus negative, it will be what? If you have minus with negative, it will be plus 2. Then the result will be what? 5. What about x equals 0? It will be f of 0. Then 3 minus 2 bracket 0. Then 2 bracket 0 meaning 0. That's meaning what? Only 3. What about x equals 1? It will be f of 1. Then 3 minus 2 bracket 1. Meaning 3 minus what? 2 multiply 1, it will be 2. The result will be 1. Then you have your points. -1 with 5. 0, 3, 1, 1. And take your line to draw. Check if it's like me, it's correct. Okay, this is your drawing. If it's like this, it's correct. You draw it? Have you graph? Okay. Now you know, Maria, about calculation only. Okay. Finished graph? All of you finished? Good. Thank you so much.